Okay, welcome to the SNT Geotronics unboxing of the Open Antikythera FullMonty Kit. So when you receive your kit, you'll remove the packing material that keeps everything safe, and then you'll end up with the tray 1. So we've installed some wings so you can pull up your tray and then get to the next tray. So the first tray gives you your cotton gloves and your keychain, and then the second tray brings you to all the acrylic components, starting with the skin, and then underneath the skin you will have the various panels front and back, and we recommend you leave them alone, so the less you touch them, the less fingerprints and scratches. Then you end up with the third tray, and the third tray over here, as you remove the protective layer, you end up with the flash drive, okay, and it reveals the next tray, which contains the screws and the components, the needles, you've got the standoffs, the crazy glue, the felt pads that we're going to be using at the end of the job. All right, and now we get to the next tray, which is the laser cut gears to build the upfront portion of your project, right? And it reveals the next tray, and the next tray contains the parts for the FullMonty. And as I remove this, then you end up at the bottom with the very last tray, and this is the rest of the laser cut stuff to build your FullMonty Antikythera. Thank you very much.